All right, so now we've got the TELESIN Action camera neck mount. So this is a pretty cool feature or setup, I should say, that I've actually already tried out recently, and it works really, really well. And I'll show you how well with something a little bit stronger than just an action cam. But let's show you what's in here. We've got some wet wipes. We have a MagSafe adapter with 3M tape, so we can go ahead and just stick this onto our action camera or our phone or whatever it is that we want to actually mount. And then we have the actual mount here. So let's go ahead and take this off, and we can see, there we go. You might be like, well, this isn't going to fit now, is it? It's not really big enough for what we need to do, but that is a faux pas. This actually opens up and locks in, so you can place it around your neck and then snap it in. That way it's not going anywhere, and that works really, really well. So continuing on with the setup, we can either connect this here, which is a standard tripod mount, so we can just go ahead and plug this in and screw that in there, and you got a little tripod mount there that'll work with any phone holder or action camera or even larger camera. But what I think is really cool is the MagSafe adapter. So let's take this off and let's extend. It's very sturdy. The metal is very sturdy, so you know it's going to stay put when you're maybe biking or things like that. Let's go ahead and plug this in, and you can tighten it up there. Now, I'm going to go grab something heavy. I'll grab my phone and my Steam Deck. So, check this out. Not only can your phone just snap right there, you can have it any which way you'd like. I can have the phone facing me. I can have it facing away. I can have it rotated. However you want that set up, it's going to work. And I absolutely love MagSafe adapters, because look what else you could do. You could literally snap on a Steam Deck and it still feels sturdy. That's how cool this is. So you can literally just, obviously flip it around. I'm just showing it for this purpose. But flip it around and you could be playing it, and then, maybe grab something to eat, grab something to drink, and then start playing again. That's really, really cool, right? All right, so yeah, obviously TELESIN outdid themselves on this one. I think this is a great action mount. I would say maybe for larger guys like myself, it's a little small. It's a little bit close to the face, just because I think there's a lot more uses I could even get out of this. So for example, I have a face capture setup where if the phone were just a little bit further away, maybe like right here, like this far away, I'd be able to use this for facial motion capture, which would be really, really cool for game development. But because it's a little bit too close, it basically works well as an action camera or like a streaming camera. You could walk around with this and do some cool stuff like that. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much for TELESIN for sending this out, and hope you have a good one. Peace.
Administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech.